How to remove rows with any missing value. We have a sample data frame which has many missing value. So this sample data frame has column name, age with 3 missing values, city with 1 missing value, and salary with 1 missing value. So with this data as dictionary, we will create a data frame, and this is our final data frame. Now the question is that how to remove the rows observations with missing value. So the code for this is from the name of our data frame is df.dropna, and by default this will drop the rows with even a single missing value. So either you simply write drop na and also write in place equal to true to drop the rows with even a single missing value and alter the original data frame, or you can also write it more explicitly as drop na axis equal to 0. So 0 is the axis row wise, and in place equal to true. So in place equal to true. So the both of these options will give you the same output, that they will drop the rows with even a single missing value. So we'll opt for the first one because it is simple, and let's check that what is the output or the action of drop na function. Now it has dropped the rows number 1, 2 and 4. So y1 because it has a 1 missing value, y2 because it has more than 1 missing value, and y4 that it also has a missing value. So drop na by default drop the rows even with a single value.